Hello there, my name is David Hume, and right now I'm going to present the technical explanation of my blog post. So here is the software called Desbravador, Desbravador Light Web, right? And here I have some informations that I put it on the blog, which it is really fun. It's in Portuguese because this is actually being used in my mom's hotel down in Brazil. So I will translate it while we go. All right. So first off, I'm gonna show that I talked about in the blog post is the check-in and checking out part. So for that we go over here. Then we go uh, UHS map. So this will show basically what apartments we got in the hotel, my mom's hotel. So at the moment we got like about 4, 8. We got 9 apartments, and they are all different apartments. At the moment, we don't have any customer there, right? As we can see here, here are the dates that the customers will be coming in, right? So the new customer, the next customer that's gonna be coming in will be on these 3 apartments, and here is one of the customers, which is called Flavia, and she'll be taking 3 apartments. But afterwards, on Monday, this Luis he will also take this apartment, and so on. This is what will be happening. All right. So, uh, and how does it work to do at the check-in, right? So, on the day that the person will be coming in, it will show the option here to do check-in or check-in. So at this moment we have this walk-in, which is if anybody comes to my mom's hotel, we just will use this one because it's not doesn't have any clients or whatever, right? And here we're gonna add the amount of clients that will be coming in. If it is like two kids, 2 adults, and so on. And here we're gonna have the how many days that they're gonna stay and how much will be each day they're gonna be staying there, right? Which usually my mom's hotel she pays like around 330 highs. That's around $100 or so, right? So this is her every the daily price, right? And here we're gonna add all the customer information, the mail membership, uh, who's selling, where is it coming from, and then we're gonna save. And here we are, have as well this tax that will be added there, right? So let's just go to one customer to show what's gonna be happening. Just gonna get to one of the clients, the registered clients. So here we go. So here she'll be staying 2 nights, and we having 2 adults, right? Uh, and the moment she does, she will not be needing to pay anything. She can because she haven't consumed anything yet, any beverages, any food. But here have her personal information, right? And here are the information that will be able to put. So on this PDV, we'll be able to put an item and gonna be able to put the quantity and in which apartment it will be going to. So, if for example, like Coca Cola, right? This is how it's written in Brazil. Uh, like let's get something else, like a bag of rice, saco de arroz, right? You're gonna see how many, which costs like $40, and the one apartment. And with that, put into their account, right? Here we got as well the financing part, right? The financing part. These are all the current staff that my mom have there, documentations. But this is not the part that I talked about in the blog post, right? Uh, and what are we talking about as well? So When the customer has their last day there, it will appear here to do a checkout. What will be seeing in the checkout? We'll be seeing how much they will need to pay, how much does it cost their staying, what they will be paying for, and all the information that is needed of them. But it's usually the client usually pay like 30% as a first pay, and they pay the rest afterwards, or 50%, something like that. All right. So that's the other thing you're gonna do. Let's just like block a day, right? Just put a day of just put for maintenance one of the apartments, right? Let me just double check how to do that. All right, so maintenance. Manutenções. That's how it's written in Portuguese, right? So go to new. I don't know, like changing, cleaning, right? The which apartment will be, when it's gonna be happening. So 16 to 17, and then save, right? So with that, it's gonna be appearing over here, cleaning, right? So we just said this one. So this one will not be selling on any of these selling places like Booking, their own personal website, and so on. So with that, we'll be blocking that, right? I'm gonna cancel this afterwards because I'm not gonna, because if it leave it here, it's not gonna it's not a good deal. The other thing that we have here, which is kind of fun, it's adding users, right? So let me add a person. So here I'll be able to add somebody, right? So here we have all my mom's staff, right? So here we'll be able to add a person, their code. This is created randomly. Here we have the type of person, whether it's a client or it's somebody who who uh who gives the who buys the stuff for the hotel. We have a staff. We have the person who do the accounting. We have a transportator, and we have a seller. So here we put their name, the last name, their 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 nationality, their birth dates, and if they're single or married or whatever, the gender and if their address and etc. And after that, we're gonna press save. Afterwards, gonna be appearing here. For example, let's check mine, which is this one's mine. And as I'm my mom's son, I have some kind of uh some kind of things. But let's go to a person that doesn't have anything. Right? Let's go to this Marcelo guy. So he's a client, as you can see here. Let's go to another one like this Adriana. Right? We have the permission that we can set. What she is, if she's a hoteler, hot, if she's a receptionist, if she can, these are the permissions. If she can deal with the stuff, if she can deal with the finance, with the kitchen, if she can add new users, if she can touch the con- the configurations, and so on, right? And here we have the option to show what she is capable of, and not show what she's capable of, right? And here you also can set the time that the person can access the system. So here it's all like that because the person will access every time, right? When it's blue, she can access every time, right? And so on. And here as well, you can see if the account is active or not, and if she is an admin or not, right? I'm an admin, so should be showing mine. My mom, this is my mom. She is an admin as well. Mine is somewhere over here. No Brega. I think doesn't. Yeah. So here, no Brega. This is my email. It's active, and I am an admin. So only me and my mom, we are the admins. And this Daniela was a old staff that she got kicked out. And she isn't active, but she was an admin as well, right? So yeah, so this is basically it's a very cool software that my plan is to when I graduate college, my plan is to help my mom online, right? Doing this part for her, doing the reservations and dealing if the apartments are open or not, right? And yeah, this is my actual plan, right? So that's one of the reasons that I want to learn how to deal with this software, right? This is just one of the softwares that this thing have that this company owns. It also owns this web server, which I'm gonna be talking on the next blog post. This is like something behind. This is just like the front end, and this is the back end of the software. It's a really really great software, and also it's all online as well. In the past, it was offline, as you saw on my blog post, but now it's online. So it's great. It's great. It's great. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much, and bye bye.